Installing a Neptune liquid-to-air hybrid cooling module. Make sure the SXM GPU board is installed in the GPU tray and that the old thermal grease has been removed from the GPUs using an alcohol cleaning pad. Apply new thermal grease to the SXM GPU board. Align the GPU liquid-to-air hybrid cooling module with the upper left corner of the GPU tray and the screw holes on the SXM GPU board, and then gently place the module down onto the SXM GPU board. With a PH1 head screwdriver, fasten the 5 Phillips No. 1 screws that secure the radiator to the GPU tray. With a Torx 10 screwdriver, fasten the captive screws that secure the cold plate to the SXM GPU board in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate label. Lift up the clips and handle on the SXM GPU board and hold the handles on both sides of the SXM GPU board. Pull the GPU L2A assembly latch outward until it stops. Align the GPU liquid-to-air hybrid cooling module with the 4 guide pins in the chassis and gently place the cooling module into the chassis. Route the SXM GPU board power cable through the cable clip and cable guide and connect it to the SXM GPU board and the SXM GPU power distribution board at the rear of the chassis. Push down the clips and handle on the SXM GPU board. Install the retimer assembly. Install the 2.5-inch drive cage assembly. Install the front I/O expansion board. Install the network adapter. Install the top cover.